welcome back to my channel. This is Ashana here. I'm back with a new video, and today we are going to be doing a hair tutorial as well as a makeup tutorial. So I don't think I have done one of these like in a whole year, which is a long time. So yeah, so I just did in my previous video I didn't do a braid out, but in my hair I had a braid out, freshly washed, and this is a braid out on 4-day-old hair. And I use the Aunt Jackie. I would definitely, it's in my last video, all of my new favorite products now. So I use the Aunt Jackie, the main choice 3-in-1, and that was it. And I kind of spritzed it with the water, and I just braided it over. Some of them was like regular twists because I was getting lazy last night. But yes, so I'm gonna just show you guys how I get my hair like poofy, like big, how I stretch it out, and the tools I use. I'm gonna also do a makeup tutorial, not a foundation routine, more about just the eyes. So if you wanna see me get glammed up, go from 0 to 100, continue on. Okay guys, as you can see, my brows are done. I have a brow tutorial. I'll definitely link that in the description box. I have it pop up in the cards. First, I'm thinking about stretching. Okay, when I stretch my hair, I like it to be, I like it off my neck like this, but sometimes I just want to really bring it, let it be more flowy on my neck, and you know, bring it down to my sides or whatever. So I just take these little scrunchies and I just basically grab gently, because you know, I mean, my hair's gonna get frizzy anyway, so I just basically grab this right here and I just tie it, but I don't tie it to the root. I just bring it down. I stretch the hair and I bring it down like so, and then I tie it to the end like this, so it can stay like this. So when I finish letting it stretch, it just, in this state, it's not like too much up here. So I'm gonna just basically do that over the whole head. Have this come like just like in my face like so, because I like to do the side part. Okay, so it's gonna go like this. So now try not to do these too tight. I already moisturized my scalp with the hair food. I talked about this in my previous video. I'm going to just take my bonnet, which needs to be washed. It has makeup on it. It just has so much stuff on it. Take my bonnet. I'm going to just basically lay this down. I'm just going to lay this down, so I won't get no makeup on my hair. So I'm going to lay this down, and now we're going to get started on the makeup. And I'm going to go in with this blue shade right here. The Jaclyn palette, and I'm going to go in with this green shade right here. Like I said, I don't have the names to this palette. I mean, to these eyeshadows. I threw it away by mistake. So I'm going to go in with this and put it right over top. Now I'm going to go back in the Jaclyn palette, and I'm going to put this blue inside of my crease. Okay, so now we're going to go in with the BH Cosmetics. The BH Cosmetics Zodiac Sign Palette, and we're going to go in with Aries. This palette looks crazy. We're going to go in with Aries right here on the lid. Okay, now so I'm gonna go in with the Elf's pigment. I got stuff in my hand. We're gonna go in with the e.l.f.'s pigment. I believe it's like an eyeshadow pigment, and it's called Turquoise Twilight. It's like a nice blue. And I'm gonna just put this, I'm gonna use the same brush I dipped into the eyeshadow, and I'm gonna just mix it on my little e.l.f. pan. And I'm gonna just go over top the eyeshadow just to give it a nice little glossy effect. You see it give it a nice little foil effect. Oh, that looks so good. Okay. One thing about these pigments, I'm gonna let y'all guys know this now. Don't pack it on too much. Do it a nice thin coat, because it will get patchy, and it will take, you will see like little patches where it didn't dry. So make sure when you put it on, make sure you let it dry. It's very wet. And just make sure you don't pack on this too much, because it would definitely mess up the whole eye look. It happened to me yesterday, and I had to do the whole eye over. Wasn't pretty. Okay, now I'm going to do this trick that I've seen on YouTube. I'm going to take my Sigma angle brush, and I'm going to dip into just any black shade. So I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill's black shade. And I'm going to just go over my wing liner, because sometimes my wing liner, I want it to look real black. Like, I don't want to see no freaking skip beats or whatever. So I'm just going to go in with this and make it really, really black. NYX Total Control. And now I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me. Okay, now we're gonna just basically just take all of these out my hair. Lordy, lordy, lord. Okay. Ooh, these are bouncy. Y'all see that? You see how stretched out it is? From when you saw it before, it was like up here, and now it's like stretched down here. So yeah, I advise if you do try out this method, then you know, do it before you do your makeup, or like when you first get up in the morning, do it, get dressed and all that stuff, then take it out. But don't, the longer you leave it in, the better the results. Look at this body. These curls is just lit. Okay, so I go in with my pick, and I get the picking. I just, you know, go by the shape of how I have my hair. Like, I have the part here, and then everything else comes down. So that's how I pick it. I don't just go like this. I pick it the way I want my hair to go. Like, for instance, I'm going to pick this like this. Just a little bit. Just get it in the roots, and just get the picking. I don't do nothing crazy. On the ones on the side, I bring the pick down and I pick it out, because I don't want it to stick out. I want it to be lifted off my scalp, but I don't want it to be like this instead of this. You get what I'm saying? So I just basically pick the direction I want the hair to, you know, be fluffed at. I also separate. I used to go individually with each curl and separate, but I don't do that anymore. I just let them be. But sometimes when you separate, you get frizz. I mean, it's nothing wrong with frizz. I mean, I have thick hair, so I can't expect my hair to be this freaking curly, you know? So I don't really stress about it. Like, your natural hair is gonna do what it wants to do. I feel like there is preventing, you know, like, there's ways of preventing frizz and stuff, but I mean, at the end of the day, your hair is gonna do what it wants. I feel like that's just my opinion. So I'm gonna go into the back. The back, I pull down and I pick. I pull down and I pick. Well, I pull down and I lift, actually, but you know, that's how I do it. And see, there's more volume. So that's how I pick my hair, girl. I don't really do that. Ooh, this came out bomb. Like, what? Okay, I have parts in my hair in the back, so I'm gonna pick that. I'm gonna pick down because we don't want to see no parts. But yeah, we don't want to see no parts. We just want to see the curls pop. I'm very gentle when it comes to when I pick my hair and stuff like that. I don't overdo it. I'm gentle with it because I don't want nothing. I don't want to overpick, or I wouldn't say overstep my boundaries, but I don't like to do too much of anything because you can really mess it up just that quick. So I mean, after a while, when you really get comfortable with your hair, you know how your hair flows, and you know what your hair likes and what it doesn't like, and you know, you get to learn your hair. But this came out voluptuous, okay? So I'm gonna go this with the back here. Some of my curls are a little bent because the way I was sleeping last night. But other than that, this came out luscious, okay? I care about the back, but sometimes I really don't because I can't see back there. Other people can, but I can't, so it doesn't really bother me. But sometimes I do care, it depends. It depends on how I feel. But yeah, this came out super lit. The curls in the front I don't touch because I like them to be, if I do get frizz, I would rather get frizz in the back. Like back here, I'm quick to get frizz. This is the first place I get frizz because, you know, the friction with your hair and, you know, your shirt or whatever, I'm about to say container, whatever material you're wearing. So I don't mind getting frizz back here, but sometimes it bothers me. So if it's too much frizz, like this right here, doesn't bother me. This is cool. This is good right here. But after a while, when my curls get old, they frizz up, and I just either redo them like I did this time, because the last time I did this, my last video, I just had washed my hair. This is been almost a week old hair. Just today make it a week. Tomorrow will make it week old hair. And I just did a braid out over. I just basically re-braided it, put more product on it. So next time I wouldn't do a braid out for the third time. I will probably most likely wash it. But yeah, this is my makeup. Okay, I'm gonna just put some lashes on, put some whatever I'm putting on my lips. I don't know what I'm putting on my lips, and I'll be back. Okay guys, you made it to the end of this video. I thank you so much for watching. If you like hair and makeup tutorials together all in one, please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for clicking this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to click the notification button so you can get notified every time I upload. Join the Nay Gang. We have so much fun on this channel. Let me know any content suggestions you have. All my social medias will be in the description box. All my other videos will be in the description box. Everything you want to know, everything I feel like you really want to know, will be in the description box. If you love this blue eye look, let me know. in the comments, like, bitch, you did that, or like, let me know. Just let me know. I love you guys so much, and we're gonna get into some good old slow-mos, and we're gonna just live our life. See you guys in the next one. Laters.